Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay has resigned from Calcutta High Court and is all set to join the BJP. He's facing a lot of questions on propriety and he joins us live for his first TV interview. Justice Gangopadhyay, I really appreciate your time here. Sir, you have become the first High Court judge in recent memory to resign and you're all set to join the BJP. If I may ask you, what are the reasons as your resignation a letter to the President is a short 3-line one?
My resignation is a result of the insulting remarks made by the Trinamool Congress persons against me when I was trying to do justice and I was exploring and also discovering the huge corruption in education appointments, that is the appointments of school teachers, group C employees, group D employees in different schools, and I passed one after another investigation orders and investigation by CBI, and they started making insulting comments against the judge, again not against the judgment, against the judge personally. And the Trinamool people are almost half educated. They do not know what is to be said in respect of a judge. However, they told me, they challenged me that come to the political arena. So I started thinking whether I should join political arena or not. It was some impetus I got from them. And second is, I found that I have done a lot of job in the judiciary and now time has come to stand beside the helpless people of our state. A large number of people are helpless in our state.
Okay. When did your talks with the BJP
I must
begin?
Stand beside them.
Sir, the questions are being raised about propriety as well. My question is, when did your talks with the BJP begin?
Very recently, before 3-4 days. Okay. And since when I started thinking seriously about joining BJP, I have not done any adjudication, and I took leave from my court, and thereafter I resigned the next week, and thereafter I joined BJP.
So, have you heard from the Chief Justice of India? What are his views on your resignation and the new innings?
No, I do not know what is his view about my joining BJP.
Sir, your resignation and this entry into politics has not only raised a moral question, but also a question with regards to your judicial orders. Because for the last 2 years, your opponents say your orders and observations have been those of indicting the TMC leadership.
It is the TMC leadership who are full of corrupt people, and a large number of corrupt people are languishing in jail under trial. They have started raising these false and baseless questions because none of my orders was orders of mine. It was tested in the division bench and then also in the Supreme Court and sometimes directly in the Supreme Court. So how can I be blamed? First. Second is, when I passed this order, I never had any political outlook, and I never did anything keeping in mind any political advantage of anybody. I passed the orders. Can they say that whether there was corruption or not? They will not enter into this question because they tried to believe people that a score 12 is higher than a score 72, and they have appointed the person who has got 12, keeping aside the person who has got 72. And this was the range of corruption, one incident of corruption. Huge numbers of such corruption cases and appointments have been discovered. So they will never go into the question whether corruption was there or not. They will raise all such baseless questions as to my political joining in BJP.
There are calls of review of your judicial orders as well. They are of the opinion that a sitting judge quitting, and within days of joining the political opponents of the ruling dispensation, it actually calls for scrutiny of your judicial orders. What are your thoughts?
Tell the analysts to gain some knowledge about the legal theories and the political parties and their spokespersons who are saying this.
Sir, do you feel that your resignation and joining a political party within 2 days sets a bad precedent?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Why do you say so?
Because there is no reason for a bad precedent. Why it will be called a bad precedent at all? And the Trinamool Congress persons are trying to go out of the corruption by raising this question when they know it very well that they are leaders who are languishing in jail, and some leaders who will also be arrested, may be arrested, and they will be convicted. So instead of taking the question of corruption, they are raising such technical questions, and that too baseless, worthless, meaningless technical questions.
Should there be cooling off period for judges?
Is there any such thing in India?
Of course, there are.
Ask those analysts and those persons who are saying like this.
Yes, it's one thing to retire and join politics, sir. But, there have been some instances like Justice Abhay Thipse, who gave verdict against Amit Shah, and then he's also the one who has joined the Congress. Then Justice Hussain Masoodi, who had given Article 370's permanent verdict, he joined NC, that is National Conference, after retirement. But no sitting judge has resigned to join politics.
So what? Now a sitting judge has retired and has joined politics after retirement. What is the harm in it? Actually, this Trinamool Congress is extremely frightened because of my joining in BJP. Because those corrupt people are going to be overthrown by the voters of West Bengal. That is why they are counting their times, and they are spreading all such type of canards.
If you think that this is a canard, but what is unprecedented certainly, sir, is the events leading to your new innings in politics, because you had run-ins with Calcutta High Court lawyers when last year the Bar Association announced that they will be boycotting you, and they, of course, they withdrew their order later, but it did cast a shadow on your chair as a judge.
Not at all, because the persons who are saying like this, they are doing motivatedly and with some intention. Let them talk about the corruption. I want to hear them about the.
Yes, please go ahead.
About the corruption. I want to hear them about the corruption.
Okay, if I may ask, what makes you join the BJP?
Because BJP is a good platform in West Bengal when no other political parties have any influence, let it be CPM, or even if it is CPM or Congress, BJP has the potential, and BJP is raising certain issues which will go hand in hand with the people of West Bengal, with the residents of West Bengal, and of the development of West Bengal. The West Bengal has been destroyed by this Trinamool Congress. Say education, health, industry, agriculture, everything has already been destroyed by Trinamool Congress in last 12 or 13 years.
Will we see you contest as well the upcoming Lok Sabha polls?
That will be decided by the higher authority of BJP. I have not joined the political party with the aim of contesting from a seat. It will be their decision whether they will allow me to join in to contest from a seat or not. I have no business into making these comments.
If I may
Whether
ask
I'll
you,
join, whether I'll contest or not.
if I may ask you my last question, what are your thoughts on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership?
Narendra Modi's leadership is a powerful leader who is leading this country to its new glory, And only Narendra Modi government does not have any corruption charges for last 15 years, more than 10 years.
All right.
What the other parties are doing. If there is any corruption, let them charge Modi government with corruption. They have not been able to do so. Not a single corruption charge.
All right. Thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay there, who resigned as a judge from the Calcutta High Court and is all set to join the BJP.